Good morning, students. In this lecture, we will start with chapter 9, Air and Water. Today, we will talk about necessary elements of life. So, what are things necessary for life? Can we live without sunlight, water, soil and air? No. They are some of the important elements of life. Without them, we cannot live. So today we will talk about air and water. Why is air important to us? Humans and animals breathe air for breathing, and plants need air for making food. Do you know that Earth is the only planet in the solar system that support life? Means Earth ही एक ऐसा planet है यहाँ पे हमारी life जो है वो possible है. Why it is possible? It is because of the presence of air and water on Earth. It took millions of years to achieve the delicate balance between its atmosphere and the hydrosphere to support the biosphere, that is living organisms. Air and water are most essential components for our survival. मीन्स हमारे सर्वाइवल के लिए ये दोनों कंपोनेंट्स जो हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हैं. विच आर दीज कंपोनेंट्स? एयर एंड वाटर. नाउ वी विल डिफाइन व्हाट इज एटमॉस्फेयर. आवर अर्थ हैज़ ब्लैंकेट ऑफ एयर विच हैज़ सराउंडेड द अर्थ and that blanket of air is called as atmosphere. So how we can define atmosphere? The blanket of air which has surrounded our earth is called atmosphere. It extends up to 300 km above the earth's surface. It is a protective envelope that supports life on earth. It protects the planet from extreme heat and harmful ultraviolet radiations of the सन. मीन्स सन से आने वाली जो हार्मफुल अल्ट्रावायलेट रेडिएशंस होती हैं वो हम तक पहुंचने से बचाता है ये एटमॉस्फेयर. इट हेल्प्स टू मेंटेन एन आइडियल टेम्परेचर विच इज नीडेड फॉर आवर सर्वाइवल ऑन अर्थ. मीन्स जो अर्थ पे रहने के लिए हमें टेम्परेचर की नीड होती है, उस टेम्परेचर को ये मेंटेन करने में हेल्प करता है. इट ऑल्सो स्टॉप्स मीटियर्स फ्रॉम हिटिंग द अर्थ सरफेस. मीटियर्स मीन्स अ स्मॉल पीस ऑफ रॉक एक्सेट्रा इन स्पेस. व्हेन मीटियर एंटर्स द अर्थ's atmosphere, it makes a bright line in the night sky. Atmosphere is not the same all the way up. It is dense near the earth's surface and becomes thinner as we go up. Absence of air can be felt when you move to higher altitudes or underwater. That's why mountaineers and divers, they carry oxygen cylinders when they climb high mountains or dive deep into the sea. Atmosphere is divided into 5 layers. Now we will discuss these layers one by one. First is troposphere. This is the heaviest and the lowermost layer of the atmosphere. सबसे heavy और सबसे lowermost layer कौन सी होती है एटमॉस्फेयर की? Troposphere. It extends up to 20 km above the earth's surface. Water vapors along with other gases are present in this layer. It is also called weather layer. Why it is called weather layer? Because all weather changes occur in this layer. Now second is stratosphere. This layer lies above the troposphere and is about 50 km thick. This is where the jet planes usually fly. A layer of ozone which protects us from the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiations is present in this layer of atmosphere. इसी layer पे जो ozone layer होती है वो भी प्रेजेंट होती है जो हमें अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज से बचाती है. थर्ड लेयर इज मेसोस्फीयर. दिस इज द लेयर नेक्स्ट टू द स्ट्रेटोस्फीयर. Meteors and rocks burn up here before they can reach the Earth's surface. Fourth is thermosphere. It is the fourth layer of the atmosphere. It is very hot and forms the place for the movement of space shuttles. Fifth and last is exosphere. It is the last layer which fades into the airless space. Do you know that atmosphere's balance is threatened by human activities which cause global warming, air contamination, ozone belt destructions and acid rains? These effects occur. क्यों होते हैं ये, किसकी वजह से? ड्यू टू द रैपिड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज इन द लास्ट 2 centuries. हमारे कंट्री में लास्ट 2 centuries से क्या हो रहा है कि इंडस्ट्रीज लगातार कंटिन्यूसली इंक्रीज होती जा रही हैं, जिसकी वजह से ये सारा कुछ एटमॉस्फेयर का जो बैलेंस है वो बिगड़ रहा है. नाउ व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कंपोजिशन ऑफ एयर? मींस एयर कैसे बनती है? एयर इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ मैनी गैसेस. इट कंटेन्स अबाउट 78% नाइट्रोजन, 21% ऑक्सीजन and the remaining 1% other gases. And what are these other gases? These are like carbon dioxide, argon, ozone, neon, etc. It also contains dust, smoke and water vapor which vary according to the environment. कि वो environment में कितने होते हैं, उनकी quantity जो है वो उसके accordingly change होती रहती है. First of all, we will talk about oxygen. We all know that oxygen is very important for all the living things. The air that we breathe in is called inhaled or inspired air, and the air that you breathe out is called exhaled or expired air. You inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide during breathing. Oxygen is also needed for burning. Burning के लिए भी oxygen बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. To show that oxygen is necessary for burning, we will do one experiment here. In this experiment, 3 candles and 2 jars of different heights are needed. And what is the method of this experiment? First of all, fix 3 candles on the table and light them. Now cover the second candle with a glass jar and the third candle with a taller glass jar. Observe and note down the time for which the candle burn. Then what will happen? क्या होगा इसमें? The candles in the second and third jar stop burning after the oxygen present in the jar is completely used up. Means second और third jar में जितनी देर ऑक्सीजन प्रेजेंट है उतनी देर वो कैंडल्स बर्न करेंगी, उसके बाद क्या होंगी? वो क्लोज हो जाएगी. This shows that oxygen is needed for burning. Now the next gas is nitrogen. 78% of gas present in the air is nitrogen. Living things cannot directly use nitrogen from the air. Plants कैसे लेते हैं? Plants take in nitrogen from the soil with the help of a bacteria. वो बैक्टीरिया की हेल्प से soil में से नाइट्रोजन लेते हैं. And nitrogen can be also added to the soil through chemical fertilizers. हम लोग कैसे ऐड कर सकते हैं नाइट्रोजन को सॉइल में? Through the chemical fertilizers. और animals कैसे लेते हैं? एनिमल्स गेट नाइट्रोजन फ्रॉम द फूड दे ईट. जो वो फूड खाते हैं उसकी हेल्प से. नेक्स्ट गैस इज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. 0.03% ऑफ एयर इज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. प्लांट्स नीड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड टू प्रिपेयर देयर फूड विद द हेल्प ऑफ वाटर एंड सनलाइट in the presence of a green colored pigment, and this green colored pigment is called chlorophyll. We all know that what is chlorophyll? It is a green colored pigment present in the leaves. With the help of these, plants can make their food. Carbon dioxide also plays an important role in maintaining the Earth's temperature by trapping some heat radiations from the sun. This effect of carbon dioxide is called greenhouse effect. I hope you all are clear about this. What is greenhouse effect? In this, carbon dioxide maintain the Earth's temperature by trapping some heat radiations from the sun, and this effect of carbon dioxide is called greenhouse effect. It helps to maintain an optimum temperature on the earth to make our survival possible. Means हमारी अर्थ पे हमारे लाइफ के लिए जो हमें टेम्परेचर की नीड होती है उसको मेंटेन करने में ये हेल्प करती है. All living things give out carbon dioxide during breathing. Usually this released carbon dioxide is absorbed by green plants during photosynthesis. कौन सी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को यूज करते हैं फोटोसिंथेसिस के टाइम पे प्लांट्स? जो हम लोग ब्रीद आउट करते हैं. However, indiscriminate cutting of trees, burning of fossil fuels, rapidly growing factories produces carbon dioxide at a faster rate. These cause an increase in the carbon dioxide level on the earth. अब क्या हो रहा है? ह्यूमंस जो हैं वो ट्रीज को कंटिन्यूसली काट रहे हैं, फॉसिल फ्यूल्स को बर्न किए जा रहे हैं, और फैक्ट्रीज जो हैं वो उनकी जो नंबर है उनका जो बढ़ती जा रही हैं, उसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का रेट भी, लेवल भी हमारी अर्थ पे जो है वो इंक्रीज हो रहा है. एंड द रैपिडली इंक्रीजिंग परसेंटेज ऑफ दिस गैस इज हिटिंग अप द प्लैनेट. जो हमारा प्लैनेट, जो हमारी अर्थ है, वो ज़्यादा गर्म हो रही है एट एन एस्केलेटिंग रेट एंड इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. तो क्या कारण बन रहा है इसका? ग्लोबल वार्मिंग के लिए ये रिस्पॉन्सिबल बनी जा रही है. Now next is moisture. Water vapors in the air come from evaporation of water from the surface of water bodies like ocean, sea, river, etc. It causes changes in weather conditions such as fog, snow, rain, etc. Means जो water bodies हैं like oceans, sea, river, इनका जो पानी है वो evaporate होके ऊपर water vapor air में बनते हैं. उसकी वजह से क्या होता है? इट कॉजेज चेंजेस इन वेदर कंडीशन सच एज फॉग, स्नो, रेन एक्सेट्रा. एंड द अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर प्रेजेंट इन द एयर इज कॉल्ड ह्यूमिडिटी. हाई ह्यूमिडिटी मेक्स यू फील अनकंफर्टेबल स्पेशली इन हॉट वेदर्स. जो मंथ्स होते हैं जुलाई अगस्त में, वहाँ इन मंथ्स में जो है ह्यूमिडिटी जो है बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. तो क्या होता है? उससे हम अनकंफर्टेबल फील करते हैं. Now we will discuss about the properties of the air. We all know that air is all around us. We cannot see it, but we can feel it. When the wind blows or tree branches move, it can move things. For example, we can see clouds moving in the sky. Now let's study the important properties of air. First of all, air occupies space. When we blow air in a bicycle tire or balloon, it becomes bigger because air occupies space. To show this, we will do one experiment. In this experiment, we need a bottle, balloon and water. First of all, we will take empty bottle and put a deflated balloon into the bottle and stretch the open end of the balloon over the mouth of the bottle. Now try to inflate the balloon by blowing air into it. What will happen? We cannot blow the balloon while it is inside the bottle. It is because the bottle is already full of air. Even though it is invisible, air occupies space. Second property is air has weight. If we take two balloons and blow air in them and then hang them with a thread to both the ends of a stick, the stick will not move. Stick move नहीं करेगी. However, if you deflate one of the balloon, अगर उसमें से एक बैलून की हवा हम निकाल देंगे, the stick will tilt towards it. This clearly shows that air has weight. Now next property is air exerts pressure. If a toy ball filled with air is placed on the water surface, it will float. if you will exert pressure on the ball, you will feel that it is really difficult to dip the ball in the water. It is the pressure exerted by the air filled in the ball, क्योंकि pressure exert हो चुका, which makes it hard to dip it in water. Air exerts pressure on everything around it in all the direction. To show that air exerts pressure, we will do one experiment. In this, we need a glass, piece of cardboard, water and tub. We have to completely fill a glass with water. Then make sure there are no air bubbles inside the water glass. Now place a piece of cardboard over the top of the glass. Then turn the glass upside down over a sink or tub, holding the cardboard tight against the rim of the glass. Now remove your hand. You will see that the water stays in the glass because the pressure of the water inside the glass is less than the pressure of the air that pushes from the outside against the cardboard. Now we will discuss about the uses of air pressure. A dropper is used to fill ink or medicine. When the dropper is pressed, air is pushed out of it. When it is released, air pressure pushes the ink or medicine into the dropper. And in the same way, in the syringe, when the handle is pulled out, air pressure pushes the medicine into the empty space created in the syringe. While drinking through a straw, you make use of air pressure. When you suck air from the straw, air pressure pushes the drink from the glass or bottle into the straw. I hope you are clear about this. In next lecture, we will discuss about next important essential component which is very necessary for our life is water.